I was actually interested one day in looking at how we could do some research work at night around whales, and I came across on the internet a site that had been doing some research on humpback whales in the Hawaiian archipelago, and they were looking at ways to mitigate ship strike. It certainly struck me that this could be a useful device for us off northwestern Australia, and I wrote to Doug Houghton at Current Corp, and he was only more than willing to help us out. And as we were fitting out our new research vessel in Malta, sent a technician in the gear over and fit the boat out, and it's been a wonderful surprise at how effective this tool is. The real focus for us, though, beyond the navigation, is to look for whales at night, and we're trying to find whales giving birth at night up in the Kimberley region of northwestern Australia. It's an area where these animals are known to give birth, but because we've never seen them giving birth in the daytime, it's suspected that they all give birth at night, like most mammals do. And using new technology like this gives us the edge, enabled to document this sort of thing. And it's one of the things that's actually helped protect this area and turn it into a marine park, is the fact that these animals are giving birth there. But of course, we need to justify that decision to the governments, and this is one of the tools that's helping us do that. One of the interesting possible additional uses for the tool, besides looking for whales for research purposes, of course, is using it for industry. We work closely with industry, the oil and gas industry, with seismic vessels, and one of the things that seismic vessels have is the restriction to shut down within 2 kilometers of a whale sighting, and in some areas they're not allowed to fire the guns at all at night, and obviously a tool like this that could give you a pinpoint distance to the whale, and especially at night, is obviously going to be something that's going to be very effective in terms of protecting whales from being disturbed by these seismic vessels, and also allow the seismic vessels to operate in areas where jurisdiction might prohibit them otherwise. Another one of the main issues for whales, of course, anywhere in the world right now is ship strikes. Any vessel that travels basically over 12 knots, and that's the large majority of commercial vessels, the rate of increase of risk of actually impacting a whale while underway is dramatically increased at speeds over 12 knots. And so when you have a tool like a night navigator, or a tool that can actually pinpoint and actually search for these animals at night, well, you've instantly got a safety barrier there. You're not going to hit these animals if you can see them. It's like driving along in the daylight. It's surprising at how effective a tool it is.